What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Pouchy from Inside Out 2. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the eyes. Now we're going to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, we're going to draw a circle going all the way around towards the bottom of the eye. And we'll bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to draw that same size circle on the right side tucked in behind. So we'll start right in the middle. I'm just going to angle this up a little bit higher. Come down. And then tuck that back in. Let's push the pupils towards the outside. So on the top left, draw a smaller circle going all the way around. And then on the bottom right, draw that same size circle. Let's fill the pupils in black. Now I want to tilt the head up on the right side. So we'll start with the mouth, starting over the left side, bend this across, go up in the middle, go across, and then up towards the corner of the mouth. Now I want to draw a straight line going across the corner, stepping up, angle this down and across, do the same thing on the right. Now on either end, we're going to add a rectangle. So we're just going to go up along the side, and then flatten that off. Let's go up to the right side and do the same thing. Now I want to add some thickness to the upper lip. From the top corner, step down, just going to trace the mouth. Come across, go a little bit wider in the middle, go out and then just taper up on the right side. Now I want to draw the inside edge of the mouth along the bottom. We're going to start up here. Just going to start by bending this in and then down. Round out the mouth, go up towards the right, and then bend that out. And we also want to add some thickness to the lower lip. From this bottom corner, step in, and trace this all the way around. Again, going thicker along the bottom, go across, up, and then out. Let's add those zipper lines across the top lip, starting right in the middle with a straight line. Now I want to work our way out towards the left, just leaving a gap in between. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add those zipper lines across the lower lip, again starting in the middle, and then work our way out towards the left. And then the right side. Let's add a curve across the bottom of the mouth for the tongue. And go up in the middle, and then back down. Now I want to add that zipper pull on the right side. So from these two top corners, we're going to step in, start with the left side, bending this up and out, go to the right and in, do the same thing. And you want to round up the top, going around, and then back down. Let's add a circle in the center. Now from here, I'm going to draw the top edge of the pouch. Starting from the left side of the eye, I'm just going to bend this up around the corner of the mouth and then out. Let's go over towards the right, going up and then out. And I'm just going to continue out towards the outside. Now from the outside, we want to step in and come down around the mouth, round up the head, come in towards the middle, go across, and then pull that up on the right side. Let's flatten off the ends, coming straight down towards the bottom. Now I want to bend this in and then down toward the side of the pouch. From the edge, we're going to step in, draw another line coming down on either side. And then on the left side, we're going to add that clip. From the top corner, it's going to go up, round this out, and then come down. And then from the bottom, we'll go in the opposite direction. From the ends, we're just going to angle this up and out. Round up the ends. I just want to bend this back in towards the center. And then from the bottom, do the same thing. Now we're going to go all the way back over towards the right side. From the top corners, just going to round this out and come down. Now from the top, I'm just going to draw a circle going all the way around. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Pouchy from Inside Out 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.